Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to recover your SafePal wallet. To recover your SafePal wallet, you will need your recovery phrases, also known as a seed phrase. The seed phrases will be created when you first set up your wallet, so here is how you can do it. First of all, make sure to open up your SafePal Wallet app. If you haven't already, make sure to download the application on your mobile device via App Store or Google Play Store. Once you open the app, you will then be able to see this software wallet and hardware wallet options. Choose any one option that you want to sign in with. I'm gonna go ahead and recover my software wallet in today's video. Tap the software wallet button if you want to do the same, and then in the options displayed, you can import or recover your wallet using mnemonic phrase, private key, key store, or by observation mode. Choose any one option under import. Since I previously backed up the mnemonic phrases for my wallet, I'm gonna have to do the same here. Tap on any one option that you find comfortable with. Soon after you choose one of the options, you will be prompted to enter your security password. Type down your password in the text box and then enter your mnemonic phrases to import your wallet in the correct order. Go ahead and find your mnemonic phrases where you previously backed it up and then enter the mnemonic phrases in the correct order. After you type it down in the text box, enter the name of your wallet on the next field. Finally, tap on import. After tapping on import, you have now successfully recovered your wallet. So that is how you easily recover your SafePal wallet even after you've deleted your wallet with the help of the recovery phrase. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again